Alrighty, Impala fans, Gauze Garage coming to you from Sunrise Baptist Church, Englewood, Florida, their annual car show. And we're covering today a beautiful black first year 58 Chevy Impala. And boy, somebody has really prepped it nice. Very good looking, very natural looking, very stock. A very good true restoration, not over restored, but like it would appear brand new from the factory. And what's killer is the amount of chrome on the front of these and those spinner hubcaps with the coves. And look at that stainless, it's in beautiful shape. And of course, just like the old car show guys, they have the fake food. Tell you what, the burgers taste like rubber. Anyway, beautiful interior. Look at that color play. You know, in 1958, this is what the manufacturers were doing. You know, an Impala was not a Cadillac by any means, you know, but look how ornate that is. That is just a beautiful car. You know, very luxury-like, out of Chevrolet. You know that the tail light treatment on these Impalas in that cove, like they're tucked into that cove that goes down the side of the body, and nothing short of amazing. The California kits tend to be a little controversial. Some people don't like them. I think they're cool. I got no beef with them, but I like this. They got the curb feelers on there. That preserves your wide whites and your spinners, so you know when you rub the curb. New from J.C. Whitney. I can hear it now. But yes, look at that beautiful interior. You know, with the painted oyster white top and the black paint, it really comes together. Wide whites really play into that as well. And again, just a quick look at the engine and the finishment. A very nice job. It's got a very natural appearance. Again, not over restored. And when you look at the styling aspect of a 58 Chevy, nothing short of amazing. It's pure Americana. This is Gauze Garage from Sunrise Baptist Church, Englewood, Florida. Thank you.